Muli na naman nating pinatunayan na anuman ang humadlang, ang tunay na magkakapamilya ay laging magkapiling, lalo pa ngayong Kapaskuhan. Salamat sa biyaya ng pagmamahal na nagbubuklod sa ating lahat. Pagmamahal mula sa Panginoon, pagmamahal sa isa't isa, at pagmamahal sa buhay. Kaya naman, sinupokpan ulit tayo ng isang matinding unos. Ang malasakit natin sa bawat isa ay hindi nililipad ng hangin at hindi inaanod ng baha. Ako ay umaasa na itong bigkis o lubid ng pagmamahal na maaari nating hawakan at kapitan sa gitna ng mga rumaragasang alon ay mananatiling matibay at maaasahan. Dahil kung walang makakapigil sa bagyo, wala ring makakapigil upang tayong lahat ay laging magkapiling. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat, mga kapamilya.
Christmas time, there's no need to be afraid. At Christmas time, we let in light and banish shade. And in our world of plenty, we can spread a smile of joy. Oh, your arms around the world at Christmas time. But say a prayer, pray for the other ones at Christmas time. It's hard, but when you're hearing songs, there's a world outside your window, and it's a world of dread and fear. We're the only one of the winds, the bitter sting of tears, and the Christmas bells that are ringing are the clanging chimes of doom. Well, tonight thank God is there instead. Here's to you and to clap for everyone. Here's to them underneath the burning sun. Do they know it's Christmas time and going away? Let them know it's Christmas time and lead the world. Let them know it's Christmas time and lead the world. Let them know it's Christmas time and lead the world. Let them know it's Christmas
You know, many times, especially when you look at all our lives today, minsan dumadating yung mga puntos na yung mga pagsubok ay parang dumadapo sa ating mga balikat na sunod-sunod. That sometimes we find ourselves overwhelmed, and many times we find ourselves forgetting just how big our God really is. Kaya mga kapamilya, sa mga ganitong pangyayari, it's nothing wrong to tell God how big or how strong the storm may be. But when you know Him a little more, you can look at that storm and tell that storm how big and how powerful your God really is. He is God, He is Creator, He is Sovereign, He is Lord, but He's also Father, He's also Brother, and He's forever a friend. So sana, as we walk and talk with Him a little more, we open up ourselves to the wisdom to know what to do. The peace para sa mga pangyayari at mga sitwasyon na maaring habang buhay hindi natin mauunawaan o hindi maintindihan. And above all, that we leave ourselves open to receive the grace to walk through the storm or to go above it. And that's why we are thankful for today and for tonight, being all together as kapamilya.